Investing can feel like riding a roller coaster, kabhi thrilling or kabhi terrifying. But what if I told you that understanding just two types of risk can help you invest smarter? इस मास्टर क्लास में हम बात करेंगे सिस्टमैटिक और अनसिस्टमैटिक रिस्क के बारे में. The invisible forces driving gains and losses in the stock market. Let's start with systematic risk. Think of it like traffic on a busy highway. No matter how good your car is, if there's a traffic jam, everyone gets stuck. Similarly, systematic risk affects the entire market, making it unavoidable. Now, let's look at some key factors behind systematic risk. Number 1, inflation. जब prices बढ़ते हैं, purchasing power reduce होती है, due to which companies' profits and stock prices fall. Number 2, interest rates. When the central bank raises rates, borrowing expensive हो जाती है, slowing down the economy. Number 3, recession. Economic slowdowns impact most industries, causing stocks to fall. Number 4, geopolitical tensions. Wars, trade disputes and even pandemic जैसे events uncertainty create करते हैं जो market को shake करते हैं. Let's look at some examples to understand. Number 1, the 2008 financial crisis which led to a global recession. Number 2, the COVID-19 pandemic disrupting economies worldwide. So how can investors prepare for systematic risk? Here are some proven strategies. Diversify across asset classes. Stocks, bonds, commodities, and real estate often react differently to economic changes. Invest globally. Global markets may respond differently to the same event. Diversifying across countries can help reduce risk. Use hedging tools. Consider futures, options, or gold to hedge against potential losses. Follow economic indicators. Stay informed about inflation, interest rates, and market trends to anticipate risks. Now let's talk about unsystematic risk. Unlike systematic risk, this one is avoidable because it only affects specific companies or industries. Think of it like slipping on a wet floor inside your house. You could have avoided it with better preparation. Now let's look at some key factors behind unsystematic risk. Number 1, company performance. जैसे poor management, declining sales or bad products can tank a stock. Number 2, competitor activity. A new disruptive player established companies को less competitive बना सकते हैं. Number 3, legal troubles. Lawsuits, product recalls या fraud scandals से company का stock crash कर सकता है. Let's look at some examples to understand. Number 1, Volkswagen Dieselgate scandal. Its stock fell due to legal and reputational damage. Number 2, Yes Bank crisis. Due to poor management and rising bad loans, its stock plummeted. Now, let's tackle unsystematic risk. Here's how to reduce it. Diversify across sectors. Don't invest only in tech stocks. Add healthcare, banking, and FMCG stocks to balance your portfolio. Stay informed. Follow company announcements, quarterly earnings, and industry trends. Limit single stock exposure. Avoid putting too much money into one stock, no matter how promising it looks. Research before investing. Look at a company's fundamentals like revenue, profits, and management quality. Let's take a real-world portfolio example. Imagine करें कि आप सिर्फ tech stocks में invest करते हैं. Suddenly, new government regulations hit the tech sector, causing your portfolio to lose 40% of its value. But if you had also invested in healthcare, FMCG, and banking stocks, those industries might have performed well, balancing out your losses. Diversification works. To sum it up, systematic risk unavoidable है, पर manageable है. Unsystematic risk avoid किया जा सकता है smart investing से. Smart investors win by understanding and managing both risks. So the next time you invest, remember, it's not just about returns, it's about reducing risks. Stay informed, invest smartly, and diversify. That's all in this video. Hit the like button, share this with your fellow investors, and drop your investing experience in the comments below, and subscribe to Bajaj Broking for more such content.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all related documents carefully before investing.